Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you're welcome. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the importance and I'm going to be showing you what you're going to do to banana peel for your body. Okay, it's actually going to help you. Are you actually struggling to sleep, or when you fall on your bed it takes you hours and hours and hours to sleep? Okay guys, do not worry, because this natural banana homemade remedy is going to help you achieve that. Okay, so thumbs up this video, subscribe, and let's dive into the video. So we're gonna be needing some bunch of banana, and it's actually preferably for you to use this greenback banana, okay, because it's not like properly ripe up like that, and then all of the nutrients are still in it. Yeah, so what we're going to do is to first of all wash this off, wash the banana. So we're going to be washing this. You have to wash it with a clean water, yeah, and you can use any disinfectant. It's actually very perfect for you to use baking soda or salt to disinfect any edible thing that you know that you're going to consume. Okay, it's baking soda is perfect. It's going to disinfect it really well. Now after doing that, then we'll just be needing the peel of this. We're going to be peeling this off. We actually do not need the banana itself. Now after that is done, then we'll have to be cutting the banana peel into pieces, reasonable pieces, guys. Okay, I have to be using the chalkboard. Now after that's done, we're going to be needing a pot to cook this. And then we're going to be needing water. So we're gonna go cook this and then we'll be right back.
So you actually have to put it on the fire and allow it to boil. As you can see, it's not yet boiled, so I'm actually going to allow it to stay for like 3 minutes and then I'll be right back. So here's the end result after leaving it to boil for about 3 minutes. So I'm going to keep it down and you would see what is going to come out of it.
Alright, so this is the banana peel and it's actually cooled down a little bit, and what you're going to do is that you're going to take just the juice of the banana peel So this is the juice. Okay, now before you go to bed, if you're lacking sleep, you can actually take this before you go to bed. It's actually very nutritious and very beneficial for your body. Okay, all right, so it's actually going to aid you to sleep very well. If you're having problem sleeping, you can drink this anytime you want to sleep, and before you know it, you're sleeping already, and it's actually a very natural remedy. Yeah, so this is it. Now you can actually put it this way and just drink it because it's actually very healthy. Now, after knowing how to make this banana peel juice for an healthy sleep and a very sound sleep, you should also know that a banana contains a whole lot of vitamin C, which is actually very important and very good for the skin, because it's actually brighten up your skin and make your skin look glowing. Okay, another factor is that the potassium in banana helps you for your heart health. Okay, so it actually helps your heart pump out blood really well, and you are good. Okay, so you need this banana juice for an healthy sleep, and it does every other stuff. Okay, and the next one is banana can help in aiding for your digestion. Okay, that's if you're having indigestion, you can actually drink this, and it's going to help you to hasten your digestion, and it also help for gastrointestinal issues. Okay, and when you think about all of those things, you're like, banana is very cheap, and you eat the banana itself, and then you make use of the peel, you know that, and that's it. Okay, the next one is that banana gives a lot of energy. Okay, but of course banana helps you get fat at some areas. Okay, invariably. So when you take banana, it's actually not going to like digest quickly like that in your body. Okay, so when you also want to like control fat, you can actually take banana, but of course you have to take it like once in a while. Okay, but when you want to get fat, that's when you take banana every day. Okay, it helps you so much. So that's it, guys. After seeing how I did this and knowing all of these things, you know that banana peel is actually very good, and it's going to aid for your fast sleep, and you are going to be benefiting all of this stuff in banana peel. So go try this out because it is natural, okay, and inexpensive. So go try it out and let me know at the comment section. I hope you did enjoy watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share the video, and I will see you soon in another video. Bye guys.